Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Grandma in a Box. And this month is the April box and it's an Earth Day theme, which is really cute. I don't think we had that theme in the past, but she does list out everything in the box. And then you have a couple recipes. So the first one, we're gonna make cumulus clouds in a cup, which is really cute. And then the second project is the Earth Day cookies. And then there's ingredients on the back as well. Sneak peek for the May box. Dinosaur theme. I don't think we've had that either, so that's really cool. And then all of the social media where you can find her, which I will have below as well. And let's take a look inside.
Yes, we will.
There's always a little goodie in there for the kids. Looks like we have, are they erasers? Let me see. Yep, we got 2 erasers.
I'm pretty sure to show continents.
Erasers.
Continents.
Those
Those are cute.
Oh, so
There you go. We have a couple little cups for the first project. Marshmallows, some melting chocolates.
I'm definitely gonna eat the marshmallows.
We have blue, green, white, and yellow. I've leaked a little in there.
Some moon cookies.
Moon cookies.
Now I have some star cookies.
Star cookies.
Who knows what that is?
Oh, those are adorable.
Windmills.
Windmills.
And a dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Silly, that's the Earth.
Yeah.
Those are adorable. That's really cool.
The Earth.
Yeah.
And these are sprinkles. And
So we have,
this is our granny.
it's like we have
That's the
some
day for
really
today.
pretty
I'll change it Earth Day.
sugars in there as well. And then of course there's always parchment paper, which I just totally flipped over to put your projects on. So we're gonna get to building now. So I added the chocolates to a bowl and put it in the microwave for 60 seconds and mixed that up so everything was fully melted. Then you dump in the marshmallows and mix that really well until they're all coated. And then you can portion those out in the little paper containers. I kind of put a lot in that first one, but it should make at least 5 or 6 of them. And then there's this edible glitter mixed in with the sugar, and you could sprinkle that on top. It's really cute. So there's the kids decorating some of them, and then our little clouds once they dried. And I wasn't going to do any of the cookies. I tried to like have them do them all, but I kind of wanted to try one. I had like an idea to make like the swirl thing. It didn't turn out how I thought it was going to. So I did go back with some green and outlined it. So it kind of looks like a sun or a flower or something. Kind of interesting. And only one of the Earth cookies were like stamped out. The other ones were just regular circles. But Jackson stole that one and kind of sort of outlined it. Thought that was still turned out cute though. And here's what the rest of the cookies look like. So if you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I do have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.